Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison video between these two electric kettles. On the left, I got the Oxo, and on the right, I got the COSORI. The Oxo retails for about $105. The COSORI retails for about $70. Okay, so right off the bat, the Oxo is 1 liter or 1.06 quarts, and the COSORI is 0.85 quarts. So it's a little bit smaller, not much. Now they both operate the same way. It's going to transfer the electricity up through this connection right here on the bottom. Here's what they look like. Now, the Oxo, we've got an infinite adjustment between 104 degrees and 212 degrees by rotating this knob. Over here, I've got presets. I've got 170, 180, 195, 205, and 212. I can change this display to Celsius also. Here's the presets. And over here, here's the knob you've got to turn to get whatever temperature you want. Now, underneath here, they do give you some recommendations for like coffee, 200 degrees, and black tea. Now, both of them have a keep warm function, so it's going to maintain the temperature after you're done, after it brings it up to the certain temperature. Now, the Oxo is automatic. It's going to do it for 30 minutes afterwards. This one has a separate button, so if you press this button, it will keep it at a certain temperature for up to 1 hour. Let's take a look on the inside. See, the COSORI does not have that temperature probe. The Oxo has a temperature probe on the inside to kind of let you know what the temperature, you'll get a display of the current temperature reading of the water. Okay, so I got them both filled up to the max. Let's do 205 degrees on each one. So I'm going to press 205 and 205. And see, this one gives me a current reading. That's the temperature of the water, and it's starting to climb. Here, I don't get that. Now, there is a wattage difference also. So the Oxo is 1,500 watts. The COSORI is 1,200 watts. And then at the end, the Oxo has a built-in timer that I can activate. So once it reaches its internal temperature and you're in like a keep warm mode, I can press and hold the button for just about 1 or 2 seconds, and it'll start a count up timer for doing your pour overs. Okay, so the water is starting to boil with them pretty good. Let's take a look. Been about 2 minutes. So they both sound about the same. You can hear that boiling water. Okay, so the Oxo reached the 200. It's at 200 degrees. And it's at 205. Okay, Oxo won first. It's at 205. The COSORI is coming, so right about 3 minutes and 45 seconds. The Oxo automatically goes into that keep warm function. Okay, so the COSORI is beeping now. So it's about a minute longer for the COSORI. Okay, so let's see how each one pours for like pour overs. COSORI's got a nice reach, nice control. I can pour real fast, I can do slow. Okay, so let's do Oxo. Oxo's very well balanced. I like how my finger fits right like that. The handle's shaped a little bit different. It's a little bit easier for doing pour over when you got to do kind of like a long pour over. Put it back on. And again, on the Oxo, I can access this count up timer by pressing and holding this button, and it starts the count up timer automatically. When I want to cancel that, just hit that. Now again, the keep warm function is automatic on this one, so I'm going to cancel it. And on this one, I can turn this one off. Both of these are very nice electric kettles. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.